In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily use your Sony XM5 on a laptop and listen to all of the audio being output wirelessly. Keep in mind that the same process is also going to work to connect the XM5 to an iPhone or any other device that supports Bluetooth connectivity. So to do this, you will have to use Bluetooth. So first, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. You go over to the settings and you will find the Bluetooth category. So this is where it is located on a Mac and this is where it's located on an iPhone. Just access settings and then Bluetooth. Once you take this option to enable it, you will be able to set up the headphones. So you have to put them into pairing mode. Once they are in pairing mode, they will be detectable by the devices and you will be able to connect them both. So to do this, press and hold the power button. Usually the first time that you press and hold the power button to power them on, they will automatically go into pairing mode. But if they don't, then just press and hold for about 5 seconds. Once you hold down the power button, you will see some sort of LED indicator flash. This tells you that they are now in pairing mode. And if you look under the list of available devices on your iPhone, a laptop, or anything else that is compatible with Bluetooth, you will be able to choose the Sony headphones from the list. So just choose the connect option or tap on them from the list and they will remain connected. Now all of the audio being output on that device will go over to the headphones instead. They will remain connected as long as they have sufficient battery. If they run out of battery, they will automatically disconnect themselves, and the next time that you recharge them and power them back on, they should automatically connect themselves to that specific device. And you don't have to repeat the manual connection process every single subsequent time. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to multiple devices. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.